guys. So it is officially that time of the year. The time of the year when we get to unapologetically fill our homes, or if you're living like me, our RVs with all things pumpkin, plaid, and the warm, fuzzy, cozy vibes that make us all feel like we're living in a fall-themed Instagram post. For those of you who don't know me yet, I'm Tony. I am an interior designer traveling and living in an RV full-time, sharing all of the adventures and creativity along the way. So if that sounds like your jam or your cup of tea, then smash that subscribe button below and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time I create and publish a new video. I would love the chance to inspire all you single humans or newly empty nesters, or both, like myself, to design your next chapter to be your best chapter. Now, if you're like me, you really don't want to let go of summer or watch the sunset before dinner, but at the same time, you've secretly been waiting for that one cool, crisp morning that signals, yep, it's time to dust off the flannels and bring out the pumpkins. Well, thanks to Starbucks and the PSL making an appearance before school started this year, here we are. So today I'm talking about some of the easiest ways to transform your space for fall without turning it into a Halloween store explosion. Oh, and here's the cherry on top. I made a free guide just for you guys. It's packed with Fall Decor Essentials and easy DIYs that you can do in your PJs, with or without a PSL in hand. No judgment. The link is in the description below, so definitely grab it after the video. All right, grab your cozy drink and let's make your space look like a fall Pinterest board come to life. Let's kick things off with the basics, the Fall Decor Essentials. First, textiles, cozy, soft, chunky throws that practically beg you to cancel plans and stay home. Plaid patterns are a must because, it's fall. So swap out the summer brights for warm oranges and deep reds and earthy tones. Trust me, your couch is about to become the coziest spot in the house. Now, on to the natural elements. I love pumpkins. Duh. Who doesn't? But if you want to look like you've got your fall life together, mix up your pumpkin game. Try some white ones or some weirdly shaped ones. Basically anything that makes people think, wow, that person really knows their gourds. Also, throw in some pine cones and dried leaves because when in doubt, pine cones. They're everywhere and the trees gift them to you whether you want them to or not. And we can't talk cozy without talking lighting. Candles, candles, and more candles. Get those fall scented ones, all of them. Cinnamon, apple, pumpkin spice, you know the drill. Scatter them everywhere like it's your job. And if you're feeling extra, grab some string lights. It's really an easy way to create that magical, I may live in a fairy tale vibe. And finally, let's not forget about tabletop decor. Simple pumpkin and leaf centerpiece is really all you need to feel like Martha Stewart just dropped by for coffee. One side note, I am not a huge fan of table runners, but they are everywhere and they're pretty inexpensive. And they're actually an easy way to add a fall theme without going too overboard with table decor. However, I have also found that a discount store single curtain with maybe a slight gold metallic pattern, folded and ironed to look crisp, works just as well as a table runner, but with less table runner. Now, let's break down this fall decorating idea room by room. First up, the living room. Swap out your summer throws for something that screams cozy, like a big knit blanket or a super plush fur throw. And add some pillows, or go fabric hunting and make your own no-sew pillow covers for your current pillows. And choose patterns or colors that make you feel like you're hanging with Charlie Brown in the pumpkin patch. A few pumpkins on the coffee table and voila. You won't want to leave your sofa until spring. Next, the dining room. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't host fall dinner parties, nor do I have a formal dining room. Doesn't matter. You are decorating for you. And we all have some sort of table in our home, even if we don't use it exactly for eating. So throw a fall themed runner or thrifted curtain on your table, add some candles, and maybe a few strategically placed mini pumpkins, pine cones, and leaves, and you'll be dining or working or doing homework in style. Then the entryway. Listen, this is where people get their first impression of your seasonal game. So slap a wreath on that front door. Fall leaves, berries, maybe even a mini pumpkin glued in for good measure. They're super easy to find at almost any box store or hobby store. They're also even easier and way less expensive to make on your own. Plus, making your own means you get to choose the foliage, the color, and whether or not you really want more pumpkins in your life. And lastly, the bedroom. Now, you really don't have to go all pumpkin overload in there, but a couple of fall pillows or a plaid throw at the end of the blanket, that is cozy chic. Toss a pumpkin on the nightstand for good measure because, let's face it, we are pumpkin people now. Now, if you're feeling crafty or just need an excuse to use that hot glue gun that you bought, say, 3 years ago, let's do some quick DIYs. First up, the pumpkin centerpiece. This is the easiest thing ever. Just grab a few small pumpkins, some candles, and some fall leaves. Arrange the pumpkins on your table like you're an artist. Doesn't have to be perfect, just look casually fabulous. And congratulations, you just created an Instagram-worthy centerpiece. Next, and one of my favorites, mason jar candles. These are the I made this humble bride candles. Get some mason jars, melt down some candle wax, add in your favorite fall scent, cinnamon, apple, basically whatever makes your house smell like a bakery, and pour it into the jars. Let it cool, add some twine around the jar, and bam, you've got custom fall candles. Plus, they're perfect for gift giving if you're feeling generous. Now, for one of the easiest fall decorating ideas ever, the DIY leaf garland. It is perfect for draping over mantles, doorways, or basically just about anywhere that needs a little fall flair. Here's how it works, basically. Grab some faux fall leaves. You can even get creative and glitter them up or write cute little quotes on them. Then take some twine or jute rope and either use mini clothespins to clip the leaves onto the twine, or if you're a hot glue gun warrior, then just glue them on the twine directly. Once you've got your leaves hanging, you're ready to string it up, and it will make your home look like it's hugging autumn itself. Simple, it's cheap, and it's seriously cute. So here's the thing. You don't have to completely transform your house into a fall wonderland unless you want to, and then just go for it. Just a few little touches here and there will make your space feel like a cozy autumn retreat. Layer the textures, mix the warm fall colors, and throw in a few DIYs, and you're basically living in a fall daydream. Look at this living room. Throws, pillows, pumpkins, candles, check, 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 and check. It's like a fall explosion. The dining room, ready for any meal or homework assignment or morning journal, even if it's just takeout. The entryway is ready to say, hey, welcome to my home where it's always fall. So thanks for hanging out with me today. I really hope this video gave you some fun ideas to cozy up your space for fall. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're all about home decor, RV living, and travel inspiration, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's free, unlike my pumpkin addiction. And don't forget to download your free Fall Decor Essentials guide. The link is in the description. And hey, if you're already starting to decorate your space, let me know in the comments below what your favorite fall decorating trick is. I'd love to hear how you are transitioning your summer escape into your fall retreat. So until next time, happy fall, y'all.